TV Everywhere services are increasingly demanded by consumers. But instead of trying to establish them in your own data center and with all that upfront investment, complex integration, and those third-party business agreements, why not just look up? See, here it is, a complete TV platform in the cloud, all ready for you. TV Everywhere as a Service by Viaccess-Orca. We call it TVaaS, where you can manage, prepare, personalize and deliver linear TV and on-demand content to any device. With TVaaS, you can manage your customers effectively and engage with them through intuitive apps and content discovery. Its flexible business models create more opportunities to monetize content and increase revenue. With uncompromised content protection and industry expertise, you'll always be prepared for evolving security threats. Our team is here 24/7 to support you and ensure the highest level of service, so you're free to focus on your core strategy. And you'll always be one step ahead of evolving trends and demands with our ongoing updates and our track record in innovation. All this helps you to reduce upfront investment and shorten time to market. TV Everywhere as a Service.